20 minutes. Yes. She just toasted her butt down there.
What the fuck?
Burns here. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you. Hey you.
No, you just.
Okay, here's a Spotify playlist called Christmas Hits.
Oh, you wake up already? You wake up for food?
This is 12 years old.
You like this? This guy's so cute. I found two of my part-timers here. This is me. This is Peter.
This one. The one. Okay, which one you want? Which black? Guys, please. That one and. Okay, so you sit down, please.
Bailey. Bailey.
I need you to sit closer, closer.
Welcome to the team, yeah?
Closer. Come on, baby. Mom. Baby up. One and up, baby.
Hmm? Oh shit. Hi baller. Whoa. Smoke. Cheers. 1 hour in, we have lost the battle. We're both dead, man. Can't eat no more. Can't eat no more. How? 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 Yo, what up, what up? Welcome back to another video. So yeah, this is the third time that we're going out date ideas in Singapore, and yeah, today we went to 3 main places. First one is Pancake Palace. Can't pronounce. Freak. Anyway, the food was alright. Nothing too special, but the service was just terrible. I would just say, I'll be straight up, it was terrible. I waited for my coffee for like around 20 to 25 minutes, and it wasn't even that busy, you know. And they have like 5 staff, like, you know, walking around up and down, just, you know, just too slow. And they're not sure of what they're doing. Maybe they're new, but yeah, it's still unacceptable. You know, 1 cup of latte would only take you for like 2, 3, and most 5 minutes, even if you have like a bunch of orders. And I don't see anyone drinking coffee apart from our table, so that was pretty disappointing. Other than that, the second place was so damn fun, man. It's just what the park, the place name is. You pay like $20 plus for one hour of interaction with all the parks. As you guys can see, they're really cute, and yeah, it's just a fun 1 hour to be playing with them. It's just one bad thing. They fart a lot, and it's, even with my mask on, it's really smelly. It's just, you know, come on, it's kind of terrible, man, the smell. And they fart a lot. I was sitting beside these 2 old pugs, which doesn't really move. They're just like standing there, I mean, like, you know, sleeping there all the time, all the way. They were farting a lot. So yeah, after that, went back to the bar because it was near my workplace. And then yeah, our whole day spent a few hours shooting on this little film camera, which I will do a separate videos on this. And yeah, it was a good day. Kind of like spend a few bucks here and there. Yeah, went to buy some clothing, and yeah, Eunice bought some bags, wallet, and yeah, the last place that we went to is the Jan Yakiniku, and this is my 4th time going there in the span of 6 months. So yeah, but this time around I didn't manage to eat a lot. My record, like, you know, free flow alcohol was like 7 cups, mugs, pints, all the good stuff. But yeah, the meat there is just something else. The marinated stuff are just incredible. Oops, sorry. See, all the meats are coming out. Yeah, beef paradise. Just went there to keep eating, but didn't manage to eat a lot today. Anyway, still a very good place. Yeah, I think we both enjoy our dinner. Really good dinner. And yeah, it's at $58 plus. And yeah, if you want to have a free flow alcohol, you top up $20 more. If you drink more than 2 mugs, you're already worth it. So yeah, it was pretty good. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.